In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to unlock custom takeover in NBA 2K26. When you head into the takeover screen in My Career, you're going to notice something new this year. On the side, it now says progression. That means you don't have to grind games the old way anymore. Instead, you unlock new takeovers and prizes by playing games and filling up your takeover meter. Now here's the key part. This year, you'll be earning something called tokens. These tokens are what let you unlock certain takeovers. As you keep playing games, you'll see different rewards pop up. Sometimes it will be a takeover unlock token, other times it might be a takeover accelerator or even the custom takeover option. But to fully unlock custom takeovers, you first need to unlock all 44 takeovers in the game. So let's look at how this works. When you go into the takeover menu, you'll see the full list. Now even though you can unlock them, you still need to meet the build requirements to use the actual takeover ability. For example, let's say I have 3 available tokens. I use one on triple threat. The game will ask me, do you want to spend 1 token to unlock this takeover? If I confirm, it unlocks. But here's the catch, some abilities have stat requirements, like Deep Bomber needs 93 point shot and I don't have one, so even though I have unlocked it, I can't use the ability itself. However, I still get the attribute boost that come with the levels 1 through 5. That's important to keep in mind. If you don't care about the ability itself, you can still use tokens just to grab the attribute boost. You can do this for any takeover in the list. The requirement only matter if you want the ability, not the boost. Right now I don't have any token and that's the reason I currently don't have any takeover. I just need to keep playing games, keep grinding and keep using tokens until I unlock them all. So that's the full process. Grind games, earn tokens, spend tokens and eventually unlock every takeover including custom takeover. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.